Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up, I will on the first and foremost subscribe, but you know that go. Cause we are gonna talk about with the description of the video says Shenseea get her body done, dog paw, shot and injured. Make we start it like this. Police sources have confirmed that alleged gang leader Dogpaw, which are Christopher Linton, was shot and injured tonight. As you may saw the circumstances in which it took place. They must say the shot are not immediately clear, so I don't know about what them really has to say. Just reportedly see him get shot in his shoulder, and he been in a stable condition, you see. But right now you don't know. In a film situation, police I got question it. As a dogs like him said, we will just get released from prison. What would you think, people? Because we're not going night. But me, you know, say it can be enough various reasons. That's right. Anyways, so after Shenseea took it to social media where she shared her post. That's it, I'm showing you the post. These are the posts that she posts and say, I have invested in my body in the caption. You see me, so you don't know, people start watch and look and look on that picture here, guys. Look on her boobs, look on the rest of them. Share about the next one. Look on that one, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, man, I have no problem with this, honestly, Shenseea, I swear. Like, if you feel comfortable, you see me, with the way how you do it, I just write it say as a superstar. I swear, cause so far you're perfect. Even if you never do it, I still love your Shenseea, right? This so. You see me, but when I mean it like that, but guess what? You're looking fabulous. I swear, anybody have nothing bad for say. Just bad mind, right? This so. Up next, Jacko get defended from Pretti Don, and I don't know what that go. Then they all over the place. You see me? Yeah, and certain place not safe, so like my channel and Lava channel himself. You see me? But here we are going.
Fatter blood clot. You alone get one little viral because you do one little sitting 2-3 fucking months ago or 5-6 months ago. You alone run down manager. Everybody want to get money to the brother. I mean, who do get one viral, nobody no pre the bill again, you know. And say, yeah man, I'ma go and do something. Everybody run down manager. By the time you see the second viral video, you hear, I am the management team of Michael Jackson. For any bookings, ads, or jingles, please link up me. I got you. I'm gonna make sure that you reach where you need to reach in life. Me gonna make sure see you book all of Italy. I'm gonna make sure see you book over France. I'm gonna make sure see you book over England. I make sure say over America afraid to see you. Because when time I finish with you, you're going to be touring more than the real Michael Jackson, you know. If for Africa, you talk about heavy city. I'm talking about Nigeria. I'm talking about Lagos. Heavy blood clot here. Do all I know. I see him some mackerel. I see come here, she a blood clot manager. Where is she now? No, you see this here blood clot. No teeth can't read. Bumbo clot idiot here. Come in a blood clot light ball. Hee-hoo! Heavy blood clot minute. Hee-hoo! I kick with the wrong blood clot foot. Hee-hoo! Pussy! And that foot there of your kick pan. Not even your manager couldn't tell you that. This is the right kick. That is the right kick. This one look like you play volleyball and you kick the ball over the seat. That it look like you do. You throw the ball up, kick it. So now, when me see such activity, me say kiss me Ross. Kiss me Ross. You say I manage this and I do play and I do rare and I do everything. And you never tell me say you kick with the wrong foot. You not manage nothing, man. You know, in case I'm going to lock up in a house up there, and you don't want me come out. And you make me wearing 3-year-old daughter slippers. And my foot back I hang off over here and I chip up. Right now I'm heel back crack up like when Joe take land. Me I say me bumbo clan. No manager you want, man. A management you looking at me friend. A some manager going on. When time you manage, you have to manage and blood clot manage. You have to manage to tell him say. You have to manage to tell him say Michael did not kick with that foot. Michael kicked with this foot. The wrong foot. As he who, man, them a try put you out there. And then what go on now? No, me and you come out in a media. People, you see, Wesley don't want to give me the cheese chicks and bag juice. He locked me up in a house up there and I feed me 2 times a day. And 2 times a day alone, the boy you feed me, Jesus. The boy you feed me 2 times a day. His slippers for me foot young, you fuck dog. Me close the eyes that look like the wagon dog. Like so, them a take in the whole of me clothes them all my socks. Wesley don't do nothing for me. The only thing Wesley did do, I went time this is a bit. He started taking what he not even teach me to read. I know me now, me NIS. I know me now, me TRN. Jesus Christ. Which one you gonna get me passport from? Me not even know which my passport of this day. Jesus Christ. The amount of things that you got you in a life. Father God. Jesus Christ. Wesley, what me do in a life? Yeah. You don't understand it, Neil, no? You think I'm me alone. No, you know, what happened that we manage? I don't know manage. She say, he might kick with the wrong foot. And I said the word the wrong way. It's not he who, it's he who. You know what I mean? You see me I deal with? When Michael say he who, him never say he are. Him never say he are a blood clot. You see me? You say it? You see me I deal with? So what time you see all you know blood clot, giant Wesley boy, your blood clot have bag of money and rare. You don't need for Michael Jackson. We don't hear about you. No, we don't know if you have blood clot. We don't know where your west a blood clot go. We don't know if you make no whole heap of money. We don't know if you has no entity. Oh yeah. We don't know you has no blood clot entity. So what you know? One day you see that now, you just go look for your early come up. I said enough of them look at idiot selector you see for our day. As them see one little vlogger boss, the whole of them run gun over them all. You know? Me, come on into you. Let me manage your career, because you know you're out here in the street long time. But if I sit down, I'm going to play some bumbuckler music. No phone will come in and vlog him, let me go on a word of advice. Take on no one message them, take on no one call them, bill on no one work them. No for them sickly and say manager here, they are running a career in like ground. Some of them don't even have a bumbuckler career. Some of them don't even have a blood clot career, but to make the people, the little views them only get, they go run in a blood clot ground. I start telling them if you do ads for 30,000 and 40,000. For what? And management to the one stuff. No, Michael, no fly one time. And he have manager. We're thinking about Wesley. Oh, yeah, about 3 players locked up. You know, if people already wait for the place to open up back again so we can make sure say him go. What a dumb town he want to go, so what me going to do? Me have to just allow him make him go on down there. Because me not going to sit down here and a boy like say no boy and a girl. Go sit your pussy clot ass down. When you go take up on your blood clot self, boy, your manager, that never cross your mind. Eh? So this is just an upcoming bleach out, full, no teeth, carry boy. We are kick with the wrong foot, where Jamaican step for fucking idiot. You make y'all run up to the same boy. Move around. Boy, when them gonna stop? Boom, when them gonna stop? Tell me when them gonna stop, people. From them the time, last year we see everybody a run and a lick up all night, fence them downtown to blood clot. Last year we see people a run and a bust off them face all in a pack of chuck. So them can't stop